The first connector that we will learn is go. Go means and it connects two verbs or sentences. And when I say verb, I mean both verbs and adjectives, which are called descriptive verbs in Korean. So for example, let's see this sentence. 수진 씨는 한국인이고 존 씨는 외국인입니다. So basically these are two different sentences. 수진 씨는 한국인입니다. So ida is the verb here. Sujin is Korean, and the second sentence is John is a foreigner. And what we are doing is we are connecting these two sentences and making one sentence using go connector. So go will be attached with the first verb. So verb is ida, so we will say ego. And then after that, we will just put this next sentence. So Sujin is a Korean and John is a foreigner. Let's see one more sentence. 중국은 크고 한국은 작아요. So here again we have two sentences. China is big, 크다, and 한국, Korea is 작다, small. And now we are combining these two sentences into one. So we just add go with the verb root of 크다. So 크고. 중국은 크고 한국은 작아요. If we want to reverse the order, we can say 한국은 작고 중국은 커요. Okay, let's see the next sentence. 저는 12시에 자고 7시에 일어나요. So in the previous sentences, we were combining two different phrases, two different sentences. Here, the subject is only one, I sleep at 12 and get up at 7. So it's basically combining two verbs or two phrases, 자요 and 일어나요. So 12시에 자고 7시에 일어나요. I sleep at 12 and get up at 7. And when we connect two nouns, we use 하고. So for example, 라면 하고 김밥. These are both nouns. So we will not use go here. We will use 하고. 오늘 라면 하고 김밥을 먹었어요. Today I ate ramyeon and kimbap. So, for example, we can also say 수진 하고 존 씨는 친구입니다. Sujin and John are friends. So, when connecting two nouns, we use 하고. When connecting two verbs or phrases, we use go.